What's up, YouTube? It's been a while since I put out a video, so I thought I would come out here and do a little bit of a shop update to let you know what I've been up to off camera. First off, happy belated Father's Day to everybody out there. YouTube tells me that 92% of my viewership is male, so there's a good chance that there are quite a few other fathers out there, so happy Father's Day to you. I got this shirt was one my wife had made for me and my daughter, matching shirts. You've probably seen her in a couple of my videos out here in the workshop with me, and you'll probably see her out here quite a bit more upcoming with some of the projects I have planned. Hope you all got some fun gifts for Father's Day. If you want to give me a Father's Day gift, just click the like button down there, maybe subscribe, hit that little bell notification. So the past few days I've been helping a friend's daughter's Girl Scout troop build some projects that a couple of them designed to give away to a women and children's shelter. I'll put some pictures of that up on the screen. Designed a cabinet to hold some blocks, building blocks, and we made some building blocks to go with that, and one of them designed a dollhouse. And in these pictures they are unfinished, but they are going to paint them and then donate them to the shelter for a Girl Scout award that I don't fully understand. So another project that I've been trying to work on is a standing desk for my office. For a while I have had some of these linear actuators that came out of a hospital bed. And there were two that were the same length and then one that was a little shorter, and I've been waiting for a project to use them on, and I thought these would be perfect for a standing desk. Unfortunately, once I got to taking them apart, one of them has a broken attachment to the gear, which is probably why they threw them away in the first place. So the only two that work is a long one and a short one, and I haven't come up with any good way to do it on only one actuator. I can get actuators fairly cheap off of Amazon, but that kind of defeats the purpose out of building the desk out of stuff I already had, so I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do there yet. You know, I may go ahead and just order a couple of actuators and build one myself. Still working on my Outfeed Table project. The very first video that I put up back in August of last year, I think it was where I showed the design for this outfeed assembly table that I want to build for my table saw. I've had the legs glued up over here for a while, but I actually had all the lumber for that project, and I didn't get to it as quick as I thought I was going to, and it was still on my trailer, and we had kind of a freak pop-up tropical storm that drenched it one day, and it started growing, you know, that black moldy looking stuff that gets in wood that's been sitting outside, and so it's just kind of scrapped now, and I need to go get some more. With the lockdowns and pandemic stuff that's been going on, it's just been a little bit difficult to try to get to Home Depot. Now that that's easing, it's going to be a little bit easier to go get wood, so I'll probably go get some supplies for that pretty soon and continue on that series. Another project that I'm going to be doing with my daughter probably is a dollhouse renovation. You know, something I've been thinking about doing for a while, and then working on this dollhouse with the Girl Scouts has kind of made me want to go ahead and do that project. My wife's grandfather gave this to her some time ago, and now it's been passed down to my daughter, and it's in kind of rough shape. The walls are coming apart, the roof's coming apart, a whole bunch of pieces are just detaching from it, and it's a bit ramshackle, so I'm going to bring it out here and do a little series on renovating that, and probably go a bit over the top with silly details, individual shingles, who knows. We could do crazy stuff with it. What else do I have on my list? Lego table. So yeah, I got my daughter interested in playing with Legos, and they're all over the floor in my office right now. So I wanted to build a Lego table to kind of corral where that's being played with, and I started designing it in SketchUp, and eventually what I ended up with was basically a Chippendale 4-drawer chest with a flip open top with hidden Lego plates underneath. So the drawers will be storage for the Legos. You'll be able to flip the top up and access 6 10 by 10 inch Lego plates underneath. And when it's not being used, I can just flip the top down and it's a functional piece of office furniture that just looks like a 4-drawer cabinet. But I can use the top of it for product photography or whatever I decide to do. We've been having a bad storm today. All kinds of lightning coming through here. Lost power for about an hour or so earlier. Finally came back on so I can come out here and film this and not have to be in the dark. Patreon. I wasn't sure what to think about doing a Patreon account. I kind of went back and forth for a while over whether or not I should do it. Went ahead and did it, and had my first Patreon supporter, Mary Smith. Thank you for being #1. In the future, I want to be able to do, some more stuff for, behind the scenes or extras, for those who support on Patreon. I've been thinking about maybe building some small projects like boxes or, small, easily shippable type things for videos, and then doing those as a giveaway for Patreon supporters. It is kind of an extra thank you for doing that. I don't want it to just be a tip jar, which is kind of the way I have it set up right now, but in the future I'd like to be able to have more benefits for doing that. And also have a second YouTube channel, which I will link down in the description, which is just me doing anything else that's not woodworking related. I'm interested in other types of filmmaking, B-roll stuff, product reviews, unboxing, basically whatever. I wanted a channel that could be whatever I want to do without having to worry about keeping it within a genre. I don't want to do, like the one I'm working on right now is unboxing and assembling a new Secret Lab office chair. That content would not go over well on a woodworking channel, so I just made a second channel to do all of that kind of thing. Perhaps short films in the future, vlog type stuff. We'll just see where it goes. It's kind of a whatever else that I come up with that I want to do type channel. So I don't want these vloggy shop updates to be, all I do here. I may do them periodically, certainly no more than once a month. I don't want that to take over. I mostly want to be, build videos, instructional type things, tool reviews, the kind of thing you would expect from a woodworking channel. But I figure one every now and then won't hurt anything, especially if I've gone, a month and almost a half now without a video, since I can't get any lumber to make videos. Well, I guess that is it for now. It's all I can think of. So expect some more build video series coming out pretty soon. I really can't think of anything else to say. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care. There's a bug. There's a bug. It's a big bug too. Also, there's a good chance quite a few of you are fathers out there. Why is my dog barking behind their own time? Let me start that over again. So another project. This is really, really bad. Do I have anything else on my list? This is like take 3 at this. I'm terrible at talking off the cuff. Thanks for watching, and you could just, this is a really terrible video. This is terrible.